Alright, so I'm not sure, I was not sure what, kind of video I should make today. Then I was like, you know, I want to explore the meta, a bit. Because for now, everything is like so new, so many, new stuff that not sure how things work. So I want to try out a Sandstorm team. This is a Sandstorm team attempt, this is our Sandstorm starter. Shale will be very valuable for us. It's definitely a win condition since a lot of our doodles are all over half our team is weak to ice. And once I saw that Moye gets shield bash, I was like, yeah, this could be a good setup sweeper. And also I just got this misprint one, so I was like, yes, I should definitely showcase this. Also Magma Toad, lately very fun, such a cool set, and Incinerate is also very cool. Also for some reason this got popular all of a sudden, Electrocute Volta 2, but after using it I think, yep, it is actually really good. So yeah, let's just get into the battle. In true Doodle World PVP fashion, I'm just using this team without like testing it, so yeah. He's just gonna... Okay, so Skadian is worrying. The Skadian is worrying. Wait, the Skadian is really worrying. Okay. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Okay, Rotera. Oh no, Rotera. We straight up can't... Okay, we can go into champion. No worries, Oh, maybe it might have been smarter to go into Volta 2. He might just wing slash too. So champion is just the best one here. Digioneko, I'm not sure how we're gonna deal with that. I don't know what does he go into. He definitely just hit and runs and goes into like Skadeen. Yeah. At least, it ships itself by its lethal ornament. Ooh, this is not looking good for us. I swear, I think this, yeah. Skadeen, right? If this is magic defense Skadeen or physical defense Skadeen. Oh, he's like, oh, this thing gets... Oh yeah, okay. Physical? No, magic. Half? Not kidding, I won't do half. Why would we do half? Okay, now this guy... This thing that definitely does not kind of... Wait. Okay. Okay, yep. That's great. But the thing is, this is magic defense Kadeen. Doesn't this thing get... Okay, I don't think it's running Gem Blast or Opal Pulse. Right? I don't think that's common. We recover health here? No matter what it switches into? Oh. Okay! Crit! Crit ignores like stat boosts, so that was incredibly lucky. Okay. Now he goes into Digioneko, right? Digioneko? Incinalisk. Oh wait, no, this thing. Easy. Easy, what do you call it, into this thing? Easy Moye swap. This is secret ability. Okay, actually not easy swap. What if we get lucky, right? Oh yeah, we do get lucky. Okay, never mind. I don't really have it on. Okay, I look so dumb now. I look so dumb now. Yes. Oh, accelerate. It's accelerate. A lot of people are running very interesting sets nowadays. Hit and run or pursuit? Oh wait, pursuit! Okay. Okay. What does it have against me anyway? Boil bomb. Boil bomb? This might be Curse Cloak, so it won't do much. But I'm also Curse Cloak. And I resisted. His defensive stuff is Skadine and what's it called? Incinalisk. So, you know, I think once this thing is gone, yeah, we have just to deal with the speedy things. What's gonna do, like Wheel Jelly? Okay. Okay. Oh no, he's Wheel Jelly. He's weird. Sorry for that. Boiling bomb again because I have no idea what to do now. Okay, the crit, sure. Now we just go into Hercules, right? And we knock him out. Now, let's see if our matchups can... Yeah, we definitely lose here. Zapora might outspeed me and hit and run. And do massive damage on Hercules. Okay, yeah, like I expected. Yeah, magic attack boost, alright. Should I Shale and Swarm? Oh, it's mine turn. Okay, that did so much. But okay, we beat it. Okay. We have no idea what I do against that. You know. How many turns of Sandstorm do I have left? Nope, okay, let's just... Okay. Now, Zapoera is just scary for us. Now if it goes, oh, he might go. He just go with Terra. He just goes go Terra. Oh wait, no, actually, great for us. Good job, good job, good job. Nice swap, man. No, we survive. Oh wait, oh, that's why it isn't affected. Okay, yeah. He's using the, what do you call it? He's using the shield thing, so it's not affected by my it's not affected by my spiky thorns. But this thing outspeeds me. Oh no, it doesn't. Interesting, it doesn't. It doesn't outspeed me. That's interesting. Ooh. Nice. Okay, that's, I guess, a good game.